Okay, here goes nothing. 2-minute condiment. We're going to put the first 3 ingredients in a fairly tall container. It would be the milk, the lemon juice, the apple cider vinegar, and it thickens just a tiny bit. We'll use that stick blender, which makes things super simple. And I'm going to pour the oil with my left hand and try the stick blender with my right hand. And you're just going to pulse at your lowest speed up and down, and it'll thicken right away. Keep pouring slowly till you get all the oil in. Make sure you taste it and adjust. I added more lemon juice and salt and pepper till I got that sweet tang that I wanted. And voila, less than 2 minutes, you've got real vegan mayonnaise.